another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And we got, oh, there it is. We got this, made in beautiful Rancho Cucamonga, California, in some big industrial park area with their major manufacturing facility with multiple lines and magical goodness of the people of Nongshim. This is their premium TanTanMen ramen with chili oil, and I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. Here are the side panels. Look at that. In the post, you can see this scanned and in beautiful high definition, full color. You're gonna love that. You are. You're just gonna have to do it. 4 minutes. 330 mils of water. Okay. So you add in the soup base, which I've done, and then you got noodle. So let's add in our special Ramen Raider room temperature water. See, it's got an R on it. So we fill this to the line. And this is supposed to be at 1,000 watts, so I'll probably do this at power level 70%. And right to there. Okay, right? 1,000? I love it how they give you all the info. The fact that these guys put 330 mils on this, I don't know why. Yeah, but it's rad, and I appreciate it. They say the wattage of the microwave, all the pertinent info for it to be room temperature water. Those are all things that are very important to making this stuff work right, folks. And when they do that, it's nice. So let's see, 4 minutes. Don't explode, please. Now I'm going to make more room temperature water. And I think I have time, so we're going to have a little egg lesson right now. Grab another egg. Yeah. Peanut gallery, folks. Okay, so I had a lot of bubbles in this egg, and I want it to look perfect, and as you can see, that egg looks like garbage. So what I'm gonna do is get rid of it and start anew with making a perfect beauty egg for the next one. That, our ring-a-ding, and then take our happy egg. I like those. I like the happy eggs. I'll admit it. I like them. Now, don't be all bubbly and crap. Oh, come on. I'm not a one-hand cracker. I'll be first to admit that. What I want, let's get it over here. I just want that bottom of it to start getting white. Here, you can see the Ramen Raider arcade cabinet dancing in the breeze in the background. Right there. See, I like to have the egg yolk sitting perfectly in the center, and that's always a battle. But we wait for this to start changing. It's already doing that right now. It's already switching over. So that's when the bottom of the egg, the white, turns kind of gluey. And then when I get it centered just right, it'll just kind of hang out. That's good enough. And I don't like that word or term either. Good enough. I need a beverage. It's doing all right. But yeah, you just keep it on the lowest setting. I mean, it's like if I push the temp gauge over this way any further, it'll just be off. So it was already hot earlier. That's why it did this transition to the whiteness so quickly. But yeah. You can do eggs starting at that and have it do it the whole time. And you can have a perfect beauty egg be done in like 15 minutes. But the slower you do it, the nicer it looks. But our TanTanMen is done. So let's get over to that. Did not explode. Guys, take the time to actually. I've been in the Nongshim research kitchen. I've tried things that didn't make it to market that were absolutely spectacular. But if it were real good, why didn't it go? Why didn't it get into the stores? Because there's things like sourcing. Like, I need this much of this and this and this to make this. And I don't think I can get enough to make 3 million of these. And I want it to be a product, you know, companies like, I want this to be a product that if people like it, I can offer for years. And if it's something that's like really hard to get, and that ain't gonna happen. I really wanted to have a soft-boiled egg for this, but kind of became a majority rule thing. There's the ones that need fried eggs today that absolutely have to have them, and then this one that needed a soft-boiled egg, and the majority won out. So sorry about that, Nongshim and Nongshim TanTanMen. But I think it'll be good. I'm using one of the last pieces. I don't know how it happened. I guess it was last month when I did like 60 reviews in 3 weeks and used all the chashu. Yeah, I need to make more chashu. Here's our noodle. It comes out really nicely out of the microwave, I gotta say. I remember when they transitioned over to using a lot more, what do you call it, microwave stuff. Gesundheit. Wow. My daughter sneezes like a machine gun. And what's funny is that her grandma does too. Here is... Someday I'll get a video or some kind of recording with them both sneezing at the same time. It'll be the funniest thing in the world. This looks to be meaty bits. My first observation is this is nice and oily. I would like it if the broth were slightly thicker, so maybe instead of 330 mils of water, maybe 300? I don't know. The meaty bits are really quite good. Interesting. All right. That's a good one. Do I like it as much as their the spicy tonkatsu one? No. That one is like work of art, absolutely amazeballs, all that stuff. This one's good though. I mean, if you find it, definitely. If you're an advocate of the Nongshim way, open your farmer's heart to the TanTanMen. Did you know that Nongshim means farmer's heart? I'm sure 90% of people don't know that. I learned that when I went on a factory tour back in 2012. That was super fun and super cool. People there are really nice. I don't know if they've started doing those again. I hope so, because it's a really neat place, and they're all set up for doing tours. It's like they built that factory around the idea that they want to show people what they do, how they do it, all that good stuff. So really cool. Really nice. But people are like, they're a Korean company. The main company is in Korea, sure, but these are all Americans that work there. They are a big employer of people down in the Rancho Cucamonga area, probably further around there too. But yeah, a lot of people get hung up on the fact that a company that started elsewhere can't be an American company, and that's simply not true. Ooh, that's well, I like it. Well, yeah, I got a little overboard on that. Although I think it kind of works for TanTanMen. I think. If you disagree, don't comment below. I'm just not in the mood. It's a nice day. Be nice. And a little bit of, it's not kind to disagree, ever. It's really, really vicious. No, go ahead. Complain about everything I do. I'll listen. If I agree, I'll agree. Or not. Alright, a little sesame seed, a little crushed red pepper, some scallion. And time for a little rotation, a plaid rotation on this sugar plum hay from Rotato and its Wiley Way. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one that I'm going to do is this Indomie that was sent to me all the way from Australia by Ferengi. Thank you so much. This is their Mi Goreng Aceh, and all I could find about it was that it has a great balance of sweet, spicy, and savory, which is kind of the way that Indomie regular is. So we'll see. I'm guessing it won't be bad. Could be, but I doubt it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really appreciate it, and it helps me out and spreads the word. The more people who subscribe, the more YouTube's algorithm wants to push it to more people. So by subscribing, you're opening up the world of instant noodles to more people. Have a good one. Bye-bye.